A violent dispute over the forceful occupation of traditional Jhum land left several members of a family injured at Baluachara area under the jurisdiction of Sidhai Police Station in the Hezamara Block.
According to local sources, Kiranmala Devarma, a resident of the Baluachara area under Hezamara, holds ancestral possession over a 15 kani plot of Jhum land. For some time now, a local group led by Shankar Devarma and Ravindra Devarma had allegedly been attempting to grab the land through muscle power. In an effort to resolve the dispute peacefully through dialogue, Kiranmala Devarma and her family members approached Ravindra Devarma's house for a discussion. However, instead of participating in the talks, Ravindra Devarma, Shankar Devarma and their associates reportedly launched a brutal, unprovoked assault on them with sharp weapons and blunt objects.
Robi songta kami borobong ni ko para tong ta khu ka di law thang da para ni bumu to tong na ble chi do ba balo sora chin mo balo sora ni robi tai sabo mung boro ngo songkor ngai omorjia robi ngai ko soton kete ma sunil oboke mia ni theke da hogi tong na tini tini ka hokali tini wa bijar khanya ni hokali ya tini ka noro bijar kami wo emne dago salanya ni thangka ta I para wa nge tam salaka salai ma ya ko ulpunang di kha bulai aku bui borok bui ni be kata borok mo ulpunang ge khorbus puja kha ngo ani busa ani jamri bai borok bu bai sa bu go busala masa bu bai sa masa an jamre tinjona ngai yang sakani masa ko jenang kha dia ka yak dia ka suna lai jong kha bono sabono ngo borjo buza kha buza sabo sopon tai tai masa salak lok Chini ya anggal bonin na tongma busa mari de ba ang noro thanawo mamla khaine da tabo abo tabu phas phaya ko guzang kha borok tam khaibe no thanawo noro case man bukhak thang jato thano case no thanawo dudi tuno ta akrong khai kebla ta phai ke borok ta anti jak nge aban jungma ri nai ja salai ma ko nai ja phai be ke to ta borok to anti khai lo thanawo mamla khai jang nai na borok to na bus ka ni hai tong salai mai o jaga de langa jaga bango jung sui nai je khu jaga khai bus ka no ba ko chi so nga no ngai joton jin jaga mang sorong yang kereng aju jin dok mang jung jung zawo babul khayo ati mang jin hinga alo khai a sat ngo aban pare khai jung khai jama ngo kicha ba hanu dung no maya nang ali babo ngai ngo kicha aron hoite khakile yei jumia sanam boi dos kani di khata abo se tabo sego joton khokhi bega yanggo Dokter sap. Hok tong ma yang khaksa hok ka babu an babu thalik bagan khayo abo yang go. Gai thalik bagan khayo yang go hok hongui kibaga. Gai ar para ano yang go babu bang di mane o jaga bo hok ka u jaga wa. Ar para ang thanga ang sori hamya to ti chobra ano buthana ka butha to ang thanga hinika. No bodo bukha boto khai bulia. Ano bulia. Ga adina ang go sori chobra wa bu phang go to ba su bu phang di ton mane maya tikili yang.
Following the incident, the panicked family members with no other option left have to approach the Sidhai police authorities and lodge a written complaint. Pure report, Chini Khorang.